Money Matters is sponsored by Strategic Wealth Designers.
At the beginning of the pandemic, the stock market fell by 34% in less than a month. But just as quick, the market saw the fastest 20-day rise in the entire 100-year history of trading on Wall Street.
Fox 59's Angela Ganote sat down with Mike Reeve from Strategic Wealth Designers to discuss how the stock market continues to rise even during a recession.
With all the poor earning reports and the issues across industries, how does the stock market keep going up in a recession?
So how the stock market really works is it's going to create prices based on expectations of future earnings and not today's earnings. So what's going on, a company comes out and says it's got bad earnings today, but the market thinks it'll have better earnings in 6 to 9 months, it can go up in value. And what the market's kind of pricing in here would be a vaccine in the near future. Also, you've got Congress, they're stimulating, they're probably going to put out some more stimulus. And then, of course, you've got the Federal Reserve here doing unprecedented moves to help the stock market hold up during these difficult times.
Yeah, let's dig into that a little bit. The experts are really talking about the Fed backstopping the market while promising to also keep interest rates suppressed. How much buying is the federal government actually doing to really hold this together?
So market looks a little inflated, and the reason being here, the unprecedented moves would be the Fed. So they've bought, just a year ago, they were at $4 trillion of assets they had purchased. It's on their balance sheet. They own those assets. Since that time, you're talking they're up to $7 trillion. So $3 trillion they purchased in investments that you or I could go out and purchase. And they've also said, hey, we're going to keep interest rates low here. That's helping the economy, especially, say, a consumer durable product, a car or a house. These are products that you might go out and borrow money. Well, when interest rates are so low, it makes it very cheap to do that. So that's really helping the market stay up. Now, if they stop buying and they let interest rates rise, you could see a big problem here.
And the talk keeps building over COVID-19 vaccine. You mentioned the vaccine a minute ago. Should we expect a huge boost in the market when the vaccine is widely available? What are your thoughts?
Well, I think you're seeing that being priced in right now. So the market understands the federal government, they're doing something called Operation Warp Speed, and they're putting in billions of dollars to several different biotech and pharmaceutical companies, not only to create a vaccine, but to actually manufacture it before approval. So hundreds of millions of doses of vaccines are being produced right now in hopes that one of these companies, they come out and they get one of the vaccines approved. You can deploy that across the country very quickly. The problem with that is you'll have this buy on this rumor, sell on the fact effect. So vaccine comes out, you kind of see a further spike in the market, and then the bubble bursts and the Fed takes the punch bowl away and you see the market fall.
All right, Mike, we appreciate your insight. We'll see you next time.
See you then.
Well, for some more information on this topic or any other money saver, head to fox59.com and you'll want to click on the Strategic Wealth tab.